All right, guys, today we're doing Stand By Me. It's a kind of a cover version. There's this guy on YouTube that's singing it. If you get it, look on YouTube, Stand By Me, piano and vocal. It's a cover. He's got a filter on it. The video's about 9 years old or something like that, somewhere around there. And it's a really nice little arrangement. Just take a listen. In the night. And if you like to sing this song and play it, this is the perfect arrangement for that because it's in a great key for a middle range voice, and the piano part is not really hard at all, and it's one of those that's just really fun to sing, and it just won't be too hard for you to do. It's a good one to begin this kind of thing if you're always wanting to play and sing at the same time. Okay, so let's look at the chords here. We're going to start with an F chord. And then we'll go to a D minor here. But of course, you can, if you're a member of my website, webpianoteacher.com, because we'll do the free part 1 for YouTube right here. The rest of the lessons will be on my website. You, as a member, you can download this sheet as well as any other sheet of lessons that I do for your practicing. It's a great way to work on your music. All right, so the chord is F. F-A-C would be an F chord, but it's in an inversion, C-F-A. So 1, 3, 5 on C-F-A. My left hand's going to be on an F. I guess you could do it down here. But it works really nice up here the way he's doing it for his singing. It's really intimate sounding. All right, so we just have straight eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So you see that? This is just the chord, the whole thing. Everything I play is part of the chord. All right, left hand F. Dun, dun. So there's the dum bum bum little bass line at the end, C, E, F. So here you place the F chord again. The C, F, then the left hand's in between, right, and then together, and then E and G together. So that measure is 1, 2, and if ever there's a little note that's held, I have a little dash for that, so that's why I have that there. If you're new to my lessons, you're going, what in the world are all those letters? This is a way for people to learn to play besides reading music. Maybe you've had trouble reading music. It doesn't work for you. Your brain doesn't work that way. My brain didn't work that way. I understand, and so do millions of other people. And this is just an alternative way to learn that works for a lot of people. Right? I wouldn't be able to be doing this for a living if it didn't work. Even a lot of people who read music will use this method because they like the fact that my arrangements always sound pretty good. So I guess in their opinion they always sound pretty good. All right, so we have after that a D minor, D, F, A, left hand on a D, 2 and 3 and. So that is D minor, D, F, A, 1, 2 and 3 and. So you'll stay, I have that cut off there, but you'll stay on D minor. And then we finally get to B flat here. So we'll look at this chord, B flat, D, F. And then we get to a C chord. I'm just kind of showing you the finishing of the progression. C, E, G, left hand on a C. Back to F. And yeah, when you get on the website, you'll be able to see the whole thing, right? So can't give it all away for free here on YouTube, or wouldn't be able to make a living, right? So there we go. That's kind of a little piece of it there, and we'll do the rest of it on the website. Hope to see you guys there. Talk to you later.